Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely very beautiful and creative because in this video I am going to show you that how you can create your very beautiful, very artistic and stylish patterns of very unique style ideas of hand embroidery. Yes friends, in my today's video I am making very beautiful creative patterns that are mug embroidery, cup embroidery, coffee embroidery and many more creative hand art. So if you are a tea lover, if you are a coffee lover, then these are very absolute patterns for you to make them onto your shirts, dresses, baby girl dresses or many more creative items like table covers, like your wall art, like your hoop art, like your wall hangouts onto your coffee cafe or any other creative material. So you can use these very beautiful and creative artistic art and pieces of art onto your desired ideas, onto your desired stuffs to create more creative and DIY accessory type stuff. So if you want me to share more creative and stylish ideas with you, subscribe my channel, like my videos and do watch my channel on daily basis. I will be sharing very beautiful and exquisite ideas with you. So thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.